the 7th time in a year, the fiery power of this volcano in Iceland on full display. The eruption, which began Wednesday, spewing lava that has consumed and collapsed roads, creeping closer to civilization. Molten rock gushing through Grindavik, about an hour's drive from the capital city of Reykjavik. Authorities set up barriers to divert the streams of lava away from the town, smoke billowing relentlessly in these alarming images seen on land and from the air. As the hours drag on, the lava consuming 2 miles, forcing about 50 evacuations.